This is an interesting case of a non-union which was clearly visible on the x-ray. This patient is around 60 years old, has had previous C4-C5 fusion, which was then revised with removing the C4-C5 plate, and then a de novo C5-7 ACDF. She presented with neck pain to her physician, and there is a lucent line across the C6-C7 disc space. C5-C6 looks solidly fused, C4-C5 is fused from previously. But most importantly, on flexion extension views, you can see the posterior spinous processes go from being distracted on the left on the flexion view to nearly kissing on the right on the extended view. And I drew in the posterior spinous process, and you can see the motion. So this is a very nice depiction of a non-union, which was clearly evident on the x-ray flexion extension views at C6, C7. Now, this case is interesting because she was then revised, all these were done outside, by a posterior fusion, C3, C5, and then also an anterior fusion, C3, C4, and then the non-union at C6, C7 was treated with a standalone device. So very interestingly, she still didn't heal. You can see at C6, C7 on the left, the flexion view on the right, the extension view, the posterior spinous processes keep moving, and this time even more. So this is, again, same patient with persistent non-union at C6, C7, and you can see when I draw in the posterior spinous processes, you can understand it in your mind's eye how much motion there is at C6, C7. So I thought this was a very interesting illustrative case of a cervical non-union, which was clearly evident on the x-rays, flexion extension views. Thanks.